shower me with your love.
Alright, warm up pa lang. Here we go, everybody.
Ay, warm up pa lang. Hello, Ma'am Edith. Hello, Sir Ever. Ayan. Sige lang. Ayan, nakalive tayo, guys.
Bend the knees, guys. And down, look down. Everybody bend the knees. Chest sa knees ang magkadikit. Forehead sa tuhod, look down. Alright? Here we go. Straight the legs. Straight your back. Hands on the floor kung hindi abot. But you can always hawak the sheesh. Just as long as straight mo ang baka. Everything is straight and then you have to look forward. Everybody. 3, 2, and 1. Right leg back. Slide the right leg back. Everybody slide. Very good. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Followed by your left. Your toes, everybody roll it forward para sa full plank. Huwag masyado nakausli ang puwet, ha? Everybody hold. 3, 2, asang whatsoever. And 1. Drop the knees. Chest down. Hips down, everybody. Chest up. Nice. Baba. Everybody have hands aside ng chest. Legs together, feet together. Alright, your shoulders roll it out. Elbows squeeze it in. Elbows squeeze it in. Huwag nakalabas. You have to squeeze it in. And then up. And continue pushing your lower back.
Hello, Auntie.
This is
Hi.
proper pose. Kamusta kayo? Everybody hold. 3, 2, 1. Tap the right foot. Downward facing dog.
Aray mo.
Everybody downward. Everybody keep on pushing your hips up. Heels flat on the mat. Fingers wide. And continue pushing your shoulders and chin back onto the floor. Ready for that then? Head down. Shoulder down. Ready for 7. Lapit ako yung paa. Lapit pa. Lapit pa. Lapit. Yo. And push your shoulders down. Push your shoulders down. Perfect. Everybody hold. 3, 2, and 1. Everybody right leg forward. Followed by your left. Straight the legs. Uttanasana. Fold forward. 3, 2, 1. Bend the knees. Look down. 3, 2, 1. Inhale straight up. And then exhale. Samashti. How are you guys?
Hi, Ma'am Roma.
Warm up. Level 2. Pamatay mo muna ng start.
Level 2 pa.
Alright, here we go. Diretso na. Everybody, come on. Bend the knees.
Warm up pa lang pala yun, warm up.
Bend the knees.
Hello, Ma'am Pam.
Chest
Ayun,
down.
Sir Ryan.
Alright.
Hi, Ma'am.
Everybody